Folks, Vince here with Complete Home Remodeling, and the reason we're going to do this video is to show you how to install board or cement board to prevent air out 2 years because of a septic type condition. So here's what we're going to learn. Below the video in the description you'll see another link to the HardieBacker board or cement board installation, so you'll be able to do that as well. There's also another link below in the description which will describe how to install a vapor barrier behind that HardieBacker board, and you can see a little bit of that poly plastic sticking out here. But this particular video is for one thing, and that's to keep you from having to rip this out 2 years later, and you will if you don't follow this guideline. So down in the bottom we have a preformed 48-inch by 34-inch shower basin. All right, the idea again is to show you how to set this board so you don't go septic. All right, look down at the bottom here. You'll see this is the lip. This is what you see. This is where your tile goes. Quick example, I dropped one on here. Now you're probably saying, why isn't that board going all the way down? Well, the reason being, if this board goes all the way down and touches this, what's going to end up happening is you're going to end up soaking water into a hairline crack or even behind a caulk crack. And then at that point in time, this is going to sponge up and wick up any moisture and any water. So what happens is this line here is designed for one thing and one thing only. It's designed to catch the moisture and keep it out of the wall system. So if you take your tile, like I always do, you take your wall board and stump it right on the top of that lip. All right, nothing is on the lip. Your tile itself is going to come over here this way. You're not going to pin it down tight. You're going to have a hairline. And that hairline could be packed with grout, 1/16 of an inch. I've even done them at 1/8 of an inch. It packs out with grout, and then you silicone across it. And the reason that you do that with the silicone is because what happens is any concrete product that you put into a property, there's vibration, there's trucks moving, there's people, there's motion, there's live load motion, but moreover, the earth spins and that tremors and makes a vibration that is so slight we can't feel it, but you will see it in a mortar product. So just remember, any intersections where tile goes here and then your flip side butts up to it, grout down this line, that line's going to hairline after time. Same thing at the bottom. So what you're preventing is you're keeping this from making contact with the base, which means you're not going to get that wicking, which will give you longevity with your shower. And that little tidbit of information will keep you in peace of mind. If you look up online, we're on YouTube, failed shower tile systems, 9 out of 10 times you'll see this bottom 2-foot section is being ripped out because it's septic. Okay? So I hope you got a little bit of tidbit. Don't forget to go down to the description. You'll see the link for HardieBacker board or cement board installation, and you'll see another link for poly vapor barrier behind your tile board to protect your insulation and joist and everything else to prevent mold. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this. I'm really hoping you take advantage of this information right here, because that's going to be a lifesaver for your tile job. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.